Hey there, does your brush look gross like this? I'm kind of embarrassed, but I haven't cleaned it out recently because I wanted to show you this really nifty tool. I received this as a gift from the company so that I could use it. I'm going to use it real time and show you how effective this is. But first, let's look at the design of it. It's got these claw, comb shaped things here with the kind of the bend at the top. To help get the hair out of the brush. And then this part helps get, the hair product residue that gets in there. So when I use this, I like to get all of the junk out of my brush, and then I will clean it with some warm water and a teeny little bit of shampoo. It's how then I wash it. But you can't wash it when it looks like this. You've got to get the gunk out first. So this is how we do it. It's actually so easy. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. That was like one pass and it got like 99% of the stuff out of my brush. Look, wowza. Yeah, I love this thing. So then I just do another pass in a couple of different directions to get the rest. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush part and just kind of brush through it to get, like I said, the residue from hair product, hairspray, mousse, gel, that sort of thing. And then do one more pass like this. And now it's ready. Boy, that looks a ton better, doesn't it? Now I can actually wash this with some soap and water and feel good about it. So what a difference. Look at that. This thing is so handy, easy to use, and way better than what I used to do. I used to just take a pick. You remember picks? I don't even know if people still have those. But I used to just take a pick, but it didn't really work nearly as well as this. Impressive. Are you as impressed as I am? Wow, that was super cool. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe.